I'm Paul Tapier, and Isaac and I are trying to look good here for Kurt Group and Aries here at SEMA 2017 in the Las Vegas Convention Center. All right, you like to talk about new stuff. How about Aries?
Well, we got a ton of new stuff here at the 2017 SEMA show. One of the products that we're really excited about for this year is our new Switchback Headache Racks for full-size trucks and compacts. We got one here right behind us. It's an all-aluminum construction. It's kind of designed with that Desert Chasers type of feel, so it's a more form-fitting, lightweight, non-corrosive. You can install tonneau covers with them, so it's very, very functional and a great place to mount lights.
Is that unusual to be able to do that with a tonneau cover?
Ordinarily it is, because the tonneau covers will mount inside of the bed, so you have to sacrifice having a tonneau cover for having a rack. And with this one you can do both.
In other words, that would have been a headache. I'm sorry, I had to go there. You know I did. We have so much to see, and Isaac's going to show us everything, aren't you?
Absolutely.
And the applications.
We have several applications here, so we'll have some pictures on the F-150, we have them on the Toyota Tacoma, and we have one here on the Dodge Ram.
Let's go look at them.